I'm going to show you how to make the best lasagna just using a few simple ingredients. Welcome, I'm so glad you joined me in my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious lasagna. In my pot I already have 2 pounds of mild Italian sausage. I have about a pound of crushed tomatoes. I also have a half a teaspoon of pepper and salt. I have a fourth of a teaspoon of oregano and 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I also have about 2 cups of grated dairy-free cheese, and I have some gluten-free lasagna noodles. You don't have to use gluten-free if you don't want to, but my whole meal will be gluten-free. So once your meat is brown, go ahead and add in your crushed tomatoes. Then you're going to add 1 cup of chicken stock. And next you're going to put your spice mixture in. You're going to stir that in, and then you're going to let that cook for just a little bit. So next we're going to add our fresh basil. And then we're going to let it cook for about 30 minutes. And while this is cooking, we're going to go ahead and cook our noodles. So now the pasta's ready, and we're ready to assemble the lasagnas. So first what we're going to do is put some sauce on the bottom of each pan. Then you just need some cheese. Okay, now we're going to put them in the oven at 425 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're hot and bubbly. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Have a wonderful week.